Hey everybody, it's Joy again, still in Las Vegas, and I want to tell you I have a whole new appreciation for this city. Why, you ask? Because I have discovered downtown. It's amazing. First of all, there's so much to do down here. Let's start with a super cool hotel, the Downtown Grand. It's in a location central to everything. It's next door to the Mob Museum, about a block from Fremont Street, and all that Fremont experience has to offer. But back to the hotel and casino. If you come here, trust me, run, don't walk to Smith & Ogden for the OMG burger. OMG indeed. With grilled tomatoes, shallot aioli, bacon, and fried onions. Oh, seriously. Voted downtown's best at one point, and I could not agree more. Oh, and then there's the Mob Bar and Art Bar. And I gotta come back to experience the Roof Bar Picnic. It's a 1950s, 60s throwback, and it evokes thoughts of old Hollywood meets beach blanket bingo. Anyway, nothing against the Strip, but I have been in this town for 3 days and I ain't been there yet. I'm just saying, downtown Vegas is a lot of fun. See you soon.